Hello everyone. So many of you guys are asking me to create one preparation video around Infosys and also the interview experience, the exact interview experience of Infosys SP role. So here it is. Okay. So Infosys, as you guys know, Infosys already announced the results for Infosys SP and DSE role hiring. First of all, I want to discuss about this. SP is a bigger role and DSE is one position below role of SP. Okay, for SP, it is a specialist programmer. DSE is digital specialist engineer. So these are some roles. First of all, I just want to tell you it has the in-person interview, and I hope you guys got the invite for in-person interview. That's why you are watching this video. In this video, I will be sharing you the exact experience of the questions plus the preparation tips. Okay, so make sure to like the video and watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's start. First, how you actually need to start your preparation. The first most important thing is the self-analysis part. Okay, self-analysis. See, I just want to divide your preparation into multiple parts. Listen me carefully what I'm saying. Okay, divide your preparation into multiple parts. One is DSA, one is SQL, one is project. Okay, one is your CV, one is behavior questions, one is CS fundamentals, and one is one programming and oops. Okay, so these are the general topics at least you should prepare. Apart from this, you can prepare many things like you can prepare the latest current ongoing technologies, questions around the technologies and the things. Okay, but this should be your exact criteria which you should prepare. Okay, now coming to the most important part, in the self analysis part, you actually need to analyze like which topic is your weak topic, which topic is your strong topic. Suppose your DSA is weak, then make sure to prepare well for DSA. Suppose your projects are weak, make sure to prepare well for the projects. So first do the self analysis and see which topics is weak for you, and then start preparing around it. Don't prepare from scratch, just search in chat gpt top 40 or 50 questions, or you can prepare around it. Okay, but I will also show you all the preparation resources, so just be with me. Okay, first of all, for DSA I would suggest you to follow this striver SD sheet. On Google, just search striver SD sheet. On the first link only you will be getting the striver SD sheet. There are total 190 questions. No need to complete all the 190 questions. Just complete from the important parts like arrays you can complete. Okay, linked list, just cover the basic linked list question. No need to deep dive in it. Okay, greedy algorithms, just cover some basic greedy algorithms. Okay, recursion backtracking, basic recursion backtracking will work. Binary search, no need to go in deep, just basic will work. Heaps, important, one or two questions. Okay, stack and queues, no need to prepare much deep, only the medium level of questions you can do. Okay, strings, make sure to prepare all the questions. Strings, make sure to prepare all the questions. Binary tree, just prepare the basics. Binary tree, just prepare the basics. Graphs, prepare the basic algorithms, also the some medium question, ignore the hard question. Medium and algorithm based question please attempt. Okay, graph. Okay, dynamic programming, do at least medium level questions. Okay, so I would say just complete 100 questions from the topics and that would be fine. Okay, so DSA must follow this sheet. Okay, SD sheet from striver. Okay, now coming to one important part, I will be going through the interview experience, but before it I just want to show you guys that we have the interview notes. You can purchase the interview notes. Okay, link will be in the description. Currently I will just show you the Geeks for Geeks interview experience, but when you will also go through Geeks for Geeks interview experience, you will find out that each and every topic which is asked in SP interview, everything is covered in these notes. Okay, if you want quick preparation, for quick preparation these notes are good. You will be getting each and every topic. Also you will be getting one reference book, ultimate interview preparation book, which you can use for quick preparation, and individual notes are also available. Okay, so you can purchase the interview notes, the link will be in the description. Also, starting with the interview experience, when I will go through the interview experience, you will also get to know that each and every question was present in the interview notes. Okay, so let's start. So if you guys can see here, this is the interview experience posted on Geeks for Geeks. Okay, so let's discuss about it. I got the interview mail May 2 days before my interview. My interview was scheduled on 28th of May. This is for last year. Okay, So the interview began with my introduction. After completion of the introduction, the interviewer directly went to the DBMS query. So first, what the interviewer asked DBMS query, he gave me two queries to write on Notepad. Now, the first is given table of employees and we have to print the top 7 employee with a maximum salary. Change the name of the column of the table. I would say these are the easy queries only, but in the notes we provided the whole different SQL query sheet with 60 queries. 60. So SQL queries, if you guys can see here, top 60 SQL queries you will be getting in the notes, which you can use for your preparation. Here you can see two SQL queries directly they asked in the interview. I have done both queries. After this, interviewer asked me some DBMS question. What is BCNF? What is 3NF? So DBMS question. Also, if you guys can see here in the CS fundamentals, we provide all DBMS interview questions and DBMS summary commands. So DBMS interview questions, DBMS summary command also we provided in CS fundamentals. Okay, so they also asked two questions from DBMS. I have answered both the question. After this, he asked me some operating system question. What are CPU scheduling and its types? What is deadlock? Prevention of deadlock? Multi-threading concepts. Okay, so these are the questions from OS which they asked. Let me show you. So operating systems interview questions also we provided here in CS fundamentals. Now I have answered three questions from it. After the interview went to the coding part, he gave me four questions. Okay, four coding question he asked. Swap two numbers without using a third variable. A general question. Okay, a very very general question. Sorry, a very general question they asked. Swap two numbers without using a third variable. So this they asked. It is related to hash map. Like we have n inputs in the form of character and an integer, that is we last have to arrange them according to the characters. Second question they asked this. That third one is to check whether a number is palindrome or not. Do any binary tree traversal. If this, he did not tell me write code but only tell me to make a tree. Okay, so these four coding questions they asked, if you guys can see here, 2 to 3 coding questions are very easy basic questions like palindrome or not, swap the variables. Okay, hash map question. So this is they asked. Okay, I have done all four in coding questions. All the coding questions he asked me to dry run and input step by step in the note. After this, he asked me 2 to 3 networking question, which we also provided in the notes. After this, he asked me OOPS concepts, 4 pillars, OOPS. I explained all: inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So if you guys can see here, networking concepts notes also we provided. OOPS for different languages. For each and individual language, we provided the notes. For coding questions, we provided 2 sheets. One is coding sheet link for the easy questions, like questions you have seen palindrome and this kind of question. We provided 50 questions for that, and coding sheet for hard interviews 20 questions for that. Okay, so these interview notes also you can use, you will get in the description. Whole interview experience I have discussed with you. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching.